The decision to work with Zimmerman's was a pretty easy one. Their service has always been great, and we really appreciated the fact that they care about us as a customer, and it shows. We really appreciate their prompt delivery several times a day. There's a lot of confusion in this industry surrounding price point on supplies. I can personally say that I have checked their prices compared to other sources, and they're always fair. One of the biggest things that has been really valuable to us is their business development, understanding how to measure our KPIs, or key performance indicators. That's something that the business development team at Zimmerman's has helped us out with tremendously in the last number of years. They research and they're able to provide that data, and it's very, very helpful in understanding what we need to improve upon on a monthly or yearly basis and where our strengths and our weaknesses lie. It extends to things like the classes that they sponsor and the speakers and educational programs that they promote and bring into our area that we otherwise wouldn't have access to. Even to our competition, we have recommended Zimmerman's because of how well they treat us. They're a local family-owned business that excels at what they do because they really do care about their customers.